Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix the tap to load on Snapchat. So let's go ahead and get started. So there are many things that you can do to try to fix this problem. I'll go ahead and start off by going to your settings, clicking on Wi-Fi, and just toggling it off. Sometimes this helps with this. You can also do this by swiping down on the right side of your screen and just turning it off. I'll go ahead and turn it back on. And the second option you can do is if you go down to Snapchat, wherever it may be, you want to go to click on your Bitmoji and go to settings in the top right. From here, you want to scroll down until you see manage. It's right here. Go in and click it. And then here, you'd want to turn off data saver. All this does is it reduces the Snapchat's mobile data usage. You'll need to manually load content like lenses and snaps, and they may take longer to view. So then the third option you could do is if you go back to settings, and then you want to go to cellular, it's right underneath Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and click cellular data options, and then you could turn off the low data mode. The low data mode helps reduce cellular data usage. When low data mode is turned on, automatic updates and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused. Finally, the last thing you could do is clear cache and conversations on Snapchat. So sorry for going back and forth, but you just want to go back on Snapchat like you did before. You want to scroll down near the bottom, and underneath account actions, you can go ahead and click clear cache. All you do is click clear if you want to clear it. And then you can also clear conversations. You can click X on beside any of these conversations and help make room in your app to maybe make it run smoother. So I hope these methods help. If they did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any video ideas, and I will see you later.